Sachin Patel from Stellarsight Technology Solutions. Stellarsight is a multidisciplinary engineering consulting company based out of Vadodara, Gujarat. So we collaborate with our customers and help them develop engineering solutions or products collaboratively. So our engineering portfolio consists from concept design till final product release in multiple domains. So that is mechanical, electrical, hardware design, firmware design, and other value-added services that touch base with the engineering functions. For example, manufacturing related services for fixture design or any line balancing, then for supplier search or any supplier RFQ related services or other technical documentation as well. So in terms of design services, we have strong expertise in terms of mechanical, hardware, firmware, and we can develop full solutions as well as part level also. Our industry domains includes the oil and gas equipments, then industrial products and machineries, then dairy equipments or any kind of consumer products, those kind of equipments and products we deal with. So we are mainly touched with engineering function within any company. So our challenges are also same as the any company face with the engineering function. So that those are the availability of skilled resources, retention of engineers, then of course cost pressure is driving the overall factor as well for the engineering strength. And the fluctuating workload is also one of the challenge that companies face within engineering function. And how we help them is we have only catered with engineering function and we can collaborate with any company's existing engineering function to leverage our benefits, and mutually we co-create things that will be beneficial for each other. So why we participated in Engiexpo is we will get strong platform with multi-domain industry based stalls as well as participants coming from various locations. So we'll get opportunity for the strong networking and meet the like-minded people and customers, potential customers, where we can leverage strength of each other to grow mutually.